Stabbing it a bit. Nothing. Hey guys, it's the Average Joe back with another video, and today we have a tempered glass screen shield from UltraGlass. This is not just any other tempered glass screen shield, it is a privacy glass screen shield. So I want to thank them for sending this out, and I've had the regular one, the regular glass screen shield on my phone for a while now. It's been great, never had any issues with it. It hasn't even had a scratch on it yet, so it's held up well. But I want to show you, well, they want to show you the privacy one. So let's get right into it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, hitting that bell notification for when new videos come up. And if you would like to, please leave a like. It helps the channel out a lot. This is what we get in the box. We get a squeegee, a pack of goodies, which includes a little UltraGlass card, some installation tools, and our second screen protector, as this is a 2-pack. As you can see, I pull it out and it has the privacy tinting on it. And what we have left afterwards is our install kit with a pre-installed screen protector. Now let's get this thing installed. So as I pull my phone into frame, I'm not even going to do any of the pre-required cleaning or anything like that, because this is a dust-free installation. So all I'm gonna do right here is basically take the microfiber cloth only and wipe the screen down. As you'll see, when I pull the tab out of the phone, it's gonna suck all the dust out of it. So I'm just gonna wipe it down really quick with the microfiber cloth. Take the install frame, look for where the top of the phone is, and as you can see right there, it says top, and then I'm gonna align it up to my phone, clamp it down, hold it and firmly, and pull the bottom tab out. And as I do that, I'm gonna press down and it'll start to adhere to the phone, and the air bubbles will come out. Just got to give it a second. And alright guys, I have it installed. It's perfectly installed, no bubbles, no dust, anything. And as you can see, touch sensitivity works perfectly fine. There's no delay or lag or anything like that. And as far as the privacy function goes, as I put the phone side to side, you'll see that it loses its visibility, which is exactly what you want. Just want to do a little toughness test. I have a serrated blade here. It's a steak knife. Scratching it up. Nothing going on. Yep, still the same screen protector, guys. And then I have stabbing it a bit. Nothing. I'm going to use the handle and smack down on it. No crack, no dings, nothing. I feel like this would probably be the most abuse it would take on an average day. Well, not an average day, but average amount of force and scratch abuse. Here's the screen protector, just regular. I just want to do a little bend test to show you that this is very flexible. So it's not going to shatter very easily. It's going to hold up really well. So most other screen protectors, if you bend it like this, it'll probably just crack right away. But this, very flexible, very durable. So it's not going to shatter. So that's the UltraGlass tempered glass screen shield with privacy protection. Again, I want to thank UltraGlass for sending this out for me to show you guys. I think this is probably going to be on here for the longest time, until maybe I do another screen protector review, because I have no reason to take it off, because I know that it's going to protect my screen really well for the longest time. So take it easy, guys.